Hi guys, so this is just a quick little additional probability video. I just want to go through first with a coin. So if I have one toss, right, and one nickel, I have heads and I have tails. So if I flip it once, what are my chances that I will get heads? What are my chances that I will get tails? What are my chances I will get heads and tails? So I flip it once, and I don't know if you can see that, but I got heads. All right. So my chance was 1 out of 2 that I would get heads, and 1 out of 2 I would get tails. The chances that I would get both are 0 because I can only get one or the other. Can't get both at once in one toss. If we did a second toss, it would be different. Now, cards. When we're doing probability, cards are seen a lot, all right? So, we have 52 cards in a deck. So what are my chances that I'm going to get a 2 in, if I pick one out, right? So if I flip this card over, what are the chances it's a 2? Well, how many 2s are in the deck? There are 4 2s in the deck. There are 4 of every suit. There are 13 suits, or 13 possible cards, not suits, sorry. 14 possible cards. Suits, there are 4, right? Hearts, spades, clubs, diamonds. But otherwise, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Jack, Queen, King, Ace. There are 13 possibilities, but there are 4 of each. So, out of 52 cards, I could get it 2 4 times in one pull. Now, what about a 3, right? That now said that's also 4 out of 52. But if it's in the same place, then that means I can add these together, and I have an 8 after the 52 chance that I will get a 2 or a 3. So, let's try 8 times. That's 4. If I was going for 4s, it would be a lot better. Way better if I was going for 4s, 2. Hey, I got a 2. Right? And the last card. So, 1 out of my 8 happened to be a 2, so it totally works. Doesn't mean I'm going to get one every time, but my chances were that I was going to get a 2 or a 3, 8 out of the 52 that I was choosing. If you have any more questions, reach out to Ms. Coles or myself. I have plenty of cards and plenty of coins to flip. Hope you guys are doing well. Gold out.